Wild facts. Meet the African wild dog, one of the most incredible animals on the planet. And they have a secret that you won't believe. They use their huge ears to listen for tiny sounds in the grass. These dogs live together in a big happy family called a pack. Their colorful coats look just like they were painted with spots. Hunting together is just like playing on a super team. In fact, they are the most successful hunters in all of Africa. They love running through the grassy savanna to care for their babies. Every single African wild dog has its very own special pattern of colorful spots, which means no two dogs in the whole wide world are ever exactly the same. Which part of their story was your favorite?